I'm Rick Albee, and I've been practicing law for more than 40 years. I want to tell you a surefire legal strategy to have assault weapons banned. But first, I need to explain why all other attempts have failed. Those efforts, in one form or another, involve petitioning Congress. After every mass shooting, your senator and congressman receives thousands of petitions with thousands, maybe millions of signatures. With no chance of reaching a consensus because the NRA pays politicians to oppose a ban, and since there is no deadline to respond, your petitions are ignored. All you do when you send a request to ban assault weapons to your representatives is beg. You write, "Please stop this madness. We need your help. Save our children." Americans should not have to beg to live in safety. Our Constitution ensures us domestic tranquility. The First Amendment grants the right of the people to peaceably assemble. Every time children are shot in schools, worshipers are blown away, and shoppers are picked off in store aisles, concert goers are slaughtered on the street, or moviegoers are killed while watching a movie, their First Amendment right is violated. Ask yourself, who has the sworn duty to preserve, protect, and defend your First Amendment right? The President of the United States does. What can you do when a government employee refuses to do his job? You sue him. You file what is called a mandamus action demanding the court order him to do what he is duty-bound to do. So can you sue the president? Yes, you can. In 1974, the Supreme Court said you can. When you file a federal suit to protect your First Amendment right, the clerk of the court gives you your own personal case number. The Department of Justice is required to answer. You must be given your individual day in court, and the judge has to make a decision. Your demand to have the president ordered to ban assault weapons cannot be ignored. Every victim of a mass shooting, a representative for the deceased, the relatives of the deceased, the survivors, and witnesses have an individual right to sue the president. Each should do so separately. According to a recent report of the Surgeon General, all those who are stressed by these mass shootings are also victims. Consider this. There are approximately 600 federal district court judges and thousands, maybe millions of mass shooting victims entitled to sue the president. Each victim is entitled to his day in court. Each has his own horror story to tell. The thing is, only one suit needs to be successful. Only one judge needs to be convinced the president has failed to prevent the denial or disparagement of a First Amendment right by misinterpreting the Second Amendment to allow private possession of assault weapons. If so persuaded, he alone can order the president to ban assault weapons. Now, suit might not be necessary. It is customary and it may be required that a letter of intent be mailed before suit is filed so that the president might see the wisdom of banning assault weapons before being ordered to do so. I encourage everyone who has been affected by a mass shooting to send the following letter. Addressed to President Donald Trump, 1100 South Ocean Boulevard, Palm Beach, Florida, 33480. Your letter should say, "Dear Mr. President, I intend to sue you in the United States District Court, demanding the court order you to ban the possession and sale of assault weapons." You can also insert your personal story if you wish. It's important that each individual who wants assault weapons banned write his own letter. Can you imagine the effect thousands or even millions of these letters being delivered to Mar-a-Lago will have? Send these letters now, and if President Trump doesn't issue an appropriate executive order, I will do another video telling you how to sue him. If you like this video, please like, and I will provide my legal strategy to stop mass deportations and protect abortion rights. Now, TikTok may disappear within a week. You only have days to share this message and get these letters sent. Together, we can put a stop to these mass shootings.